There's a very strong and heavy rain right now. There's a storm here in RGV. So look, a strong wind too. That's our situation right now here in RGV. So the truck that has been stopped definitely. Cars turning around, it's because they don't want to brave the flood right here. Okay,
And we're also turning
we're
around.
also turning around. Sorry. Hi there.
Hello friends, yesterday we were hit by a hard Hurricane Hanna here in RGV, Texas, USA. So last night we experienced a heavy rain, a strong wind, and we didn't have power for almost 16 hours till 4 p.m. today. And right now I'm here in my backyard trying to see what happened with all the plants and vegetables that we have. And I'm gonna show you in a little bit what Hurricane Hanna had left for us here. Okay, so see you in a bit. See what happened to this tall papaya here. It fell down on the other side of the fence right here, as you can see right there. This is our pepper plant. It's almost uprooted, as you can see right there, lying down flat on the ground already. Fence, as you can see, it fell down last night, but hubby put a little brace on it so it won't continue. So these ciruelas here, the leaves fell down too. And as you can see, there's one here on the ground right now, right there. Oh, and our banana right there. Sad, very sad. It's also broken. These seedlings here were also blown by the wind, I think. So too sad, like almost right there. Our dragon fruit also didn't make it. Okra plant, not good too. Look at it. There you go. All these seedlings are already, I think, cannot make it. So they're all destroyed. So guava leaves also all over. A lot of vegetables were damaged too. Sugar cane is also lying on the ground now, as you can see. My succulent babies also didn't make it. Look, I'm so sad about it. Look at the branches of this oak tree. It's also being destroyed by the hurricane. And right there. And over there on my neighborhood, it's also flooded.
This is Sally's tree, my daughter's friend. It was a big tree, but it was completely uprooted. Thank God no one got hurt when it fell down. I hope everyone is staying safe out there.